I loved my old school, but GHS has changed my life completely.
I don't know how to put it in words.
Now I'm just remembering stupid stuff.
I still feel like I'm in year 10.
I'm trying to soak it all up now because when it's over, I'm just going to look back and I'm just going to think, oh, why didn't I embrace it more? Because these are going to be the memories that you remember for the rest of your life.
All the weird memories.
How do you put 14 years into one sentence?
I think I'm going to miss walking into school and it's just chaotic.
But there are so many things that we're going to miss.
Like the school lunch.
Just see smiles around.
And supporting each other through, the trials and tribulations of sixth form.
One of the things that just stands out would be the mornings, like the hustle and bustle in the morning. Have you done the homework? What'd you get for this? It's just such like a cute little catch-up that we have.
Everything, seeing my best friends every single day of my life.
The last 14 years have been the best years.
Just knowing everyone a little bit.
I could just go up and speak to anyone.
The English department, you're the women that have given me confidence, energy.
Everything in our lives still surrounds us every day.
The feeling that you just feel
Guildford High girl.
like confident and
Like you could do anything.
yeah.
So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke, your love life's DOA. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. We're still in bed at 10 and work began at 8. You missed the bus again, your hair's not looking great. Your mother told you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when